Hey guys, I know not everyone is up this morning, but I'm about to do something and I just thought, why don't I just make a video that could be very helpful to anyone who might be in this situation. So I'm currently transitioning. If you can see my hair, I'm currently transitioning and I'm trying to go all the way from relaxed, textured relaxed to natural curls. And I made this weave. Technically, I only fixed this weave like for a particular event, and then I'm back home. What I'm about to show you in this video is what to do if you have what to do if you have too much leave out. So when I realized that yesterday when I fixed the hair and I left, the leave out just started turning back to natural and was just, sitting chunky on top. And I hate to not have a good look. This is your crown. I hate to not have a good look. I could be wearing anything, but I want my hair to look good. So I was in this situation yesterday. So I just want to show you what to do when your leave out is too much and you want to fix it. Hi, Bayami. When your leave out is too much and you want to fix it. So now I've done a recalculation. Get whatever you use to separate your hair. For me, it's this stick. I have plenty of it. I'm sure when they see me buying it, they think I'm buying it for chicken. It's just to cut my hair. It's just to fix my hair. So when I used to be fully relaxed and I did something like this with leave out, it was cool. I enjoyed. Seriously, I'm discussing with my sister. I can't go through with this natural hair thing. I already know that impulsively I'm either going to cut my hair or just put a relaxer, because I asked my sister to get me relaxers. In February last year, they got me relaxers, but I wanted to be a good child and leave my hair. So I only relaxed in March, and then I didn't relax again till July. And then I've been waiting till I'm like, okay, let it grow. So it's been a year now and I've got some length, but honestly, I don't like the fact that I can't just, wear my natural hair out without the stress or the chore of maintaining, of styling it. Styling it has become a chore, guys. Let me stay backwards so you can admire my beautiful dress as well. And I think I need to get more lights. Okay. Yeah, so it's still very early in the morning. I don't expect you to be awake, but maybe whenever you see this video, let me just get right into it. I've said let me get right into it so many times. The thing is, when I'm on Instagram, I don't get as much views as when I'm on YouTube or TikTok. So it's kind of a dilemma for me. Like, should I really be doing this here? So I think I should just take my video to YouTube and then you guys can watch it later. Okay, let me just round it up here. So what you do is just leave only small leave out when you have your hair natural. If your hair is relaxed, like my hair used to be relaxed and I would do leave out, there's no problem. But if your hair is textured, like kinky natural hair, and you want to do leave out, leave only a small leave out. So I made a mistake yesterday of leaving out a lot of leave out thinking it was my natural hair. So here we go. I'm basically about to loosen the hair because, like I said initially, I only make the videos, I only make the hair to step out for a certain occasion. I come back and I undo it. But I want to fix it again for tomorrow and curl it and make it look really full. So here's what you do. Select what you want. Step 1, select the part right in the middle, wherever you want it to be, that is actually just right for you. So you see now, I've removed this part. I actually made this hair yesterday morning. So I cut something off here today because it was trapping my hair. So in case you see that it's a bit rough, no, it's not my style. I like my hair very neat, even my cornrows. So what you do is now you just select tiny leave out, just a small portion. Just imagine it split into two and spread apart. Make sure it's enough. Make sure you have enough at the back, especially because you're going to need more at the back where it spreads out. Then you're going to weave your extras inside. So you weave your extras inside and weave this one backwards too. Weave it by yourself or maybe get someone at home to help you weave it. and then, you know, all of that. So you just take it backwards. Okay, I'm not doing that because I intend to loosen the hair today. Just want to show you. And then you take a crochet. If you don't have, just dip your hand inside, go through the weft, and pick the hair. Okay, so let me just pretend I don't have a crochet, just so that I am more relatable. So you go in, put a tiny end, you know, feel it, you know, coordination. So you feel it and you pick it, then you go inside. Now it's tucked in. Okay, so now that it's tucked in, what you're going to do, it's not sealed because it can come out anytime, right? But just it's tucked in. If your hair is long and you're sending your weave in backwards, then you don't have to weave everything to the end. So now that it's tucked in, what you're going to do, you see now that you have an extra layer. Now it's not going to be flat like all the cornrows that started from the tip here, but at least without having to loosen the entire hair, you got something going on. So you open your hair, get an extra hair. Now for people who don't have an extra hair to put, what do you do? Usually I would say go to the roots and remove. But because the hair that I fixed is layered, because it's layered, if I pick one from the back, that means it's then going to be very long, but I will do it all the same because who cares? So then now that you have that, you would just take your hair, you know, and just put it on top. And it is when you're sewing this one, it is when you're sewing this one that you then have to tighten what you just sent to the back here. So now you use your thread and needle to tighten this one. So now we fix it here and it goes all the way back. And then remember that this one is just, this one, imagine that this one is woven too, okay? Because I just don't want to do that. And then you fix it around. And yeah, your hair is good. So you open your new leave out and spread it out. So this time when you flat iron, it's better, looks more natural, and it wouldn't stand and pop out when you're back from your meeting like mine did yesterday. You see the way it's popping out? That's how it was yesterday. I was like, God, this is how my hair was just standing on top of my weave. And everyone was just looking at, hi, you brown skin. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye. So basically your tools are this thing to separate this one if you have it. If you don't have it, there's no problem. An extra hair to put, but if you don't have extra hair, pluck from the back. Bye, guys.